Okay, I'm back with the cement. Let's progress. So like I said, with the cement, I'm going to put some aggregate like stones, rocks, whatever. This is cement block I broke. I broke it into small chunks, you can see. And I'm going to put it, see I'm putting it like that. And then once I put it like that, it's like wedged in, and you put cement and we put water, it will solidify, it will go nowhere. It's like as good as concrete, right? Because cement will form into that shape and set the post in. So that's how it looks. That's how you do. It's all ingenious ideas. You got to improvise when you don't have things. Since I only had cement, no concrete. Concrete is what? Concrete has cement and aggregate like gravel. I don't have that, so I just had this left over. Improvising with some stones, rocks. I have done this so many times. It works like a charm, right? So if you don't have concrete, don't waste your money. Just get the cement you have left over. Put those stones like that. Tamp it in. Tamp it in. Not tamper. Tamp it in. Like push it in with a hammer. I just use a axe. Whatever it takes. Just tamp it like that. Like that. And then put cement, water. Good to go. All right. Okay. Let me put the camera the right way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. I made sure the thing is level, with a level good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect, just for the door of the chicken coop. Once it's level on the top, on the side, should be good to go.